Hello friends, welcome back to Tech with IQ. Sometimes, it happens that you get an unknown call and that person surprisingly knows your full name and email ID. This video will teach you how to save your identity from strangers by adjusting your Facebook settings. Firstly, open your Facebook app. Go to the three lines icon from the top right corner of your screen. Scroll down. Click on Settings and Privacy, then go to Settings. Now again scroll down. Select how people find and contact you. Here, you need to change all these settings. Firstly, I'm switching my friend request setting to friends of friends. Next, I'm adjusting my friend list and allowing my friends to see it. Next, I'm locking my email address and phone number and switching them to only me. Thank you for watching this video. Please click on the subscribe button to get more useful information like this.